Ni, kaninong spot to? Kaninong spot? Ito, kaninong spot to? Sa daddy mo to? Ha? Who's kanila? More like for the goats.
For the goats.
Yep.
Well, the goats can be up there because it can climb up.
Well, so that the pig's dung could be thrown down here as fertilizer, as opposed to being down here, and so you could bring it up there. So it would be easier to use the pig's dung up there and throw it as fertilizer.
On the cane.
For the cane, for the whatever, or for everything down here. As opposed to have them down here and it'll pollute the river.
Yeah.
So that's the, make it green.
Yeah. Can you use pig manure